Face diet, T-line fresh skin around the eyes. Use hand to lie down on the eyelid. Press lightly for 10 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Use both middle fingers to spread the area between the eyebrows, from bottom to top gently. Repeat 5 times. Loosen the muscles by using your thumb and index finger on both sides. Pull the skin along the eyebrows, gently twist and then release. Repeat 5 times. Loosen the muscles by using your middle finger and ring finger on both sides. Massage the temples into number 8 with the temples as the center. Repeat 5 times. Use the middle finger on both sides to cover the lower eye socket, from the inner corner of the eye to the outer corner of the eye. Repeat 3 times.